Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga grade 10 ICT major students at sanay may matutunan kayo sa araw na ito. I'm glad to hear that you're interested in learning about HTML. It's the backbone of the internet, and understanding it can open up a lot of opportunities. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language for creating web pages and web applications. It's not a programming language, but a markup language that structures the content on the web. It does this by using a system of simple, text-based tags. For example, if you wanted to create a heading on your web page, you would use the tag, like this is a heading. There are 6 levels of headings, from the, with being the largest and the smallest. HTML also allows you to create paragraphs with the tag, links with the tag, images with the tag, and so much more. It's a pretty straightforward language to learn, and it's the first step in any web development journey. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and end tag, with the content inserted in between. For example, to create a paragraph, you would use the start tag, then insert your text, and finally close it with the end tag, like this is a paragraph. HTML tags are the hidden keywords within a web page that define how your web browser must format and display the content. Most tags must have 2 parts, an opening and a closing part. For instance, is the opening tag and is the closing tag. Note that the closing tag has the same text as the opening tag, but has an additional / just after the tag opener. However, not all tags have a closing tag. These are known as void elements. For example, the tag, which is used to embed an image, doesn't require a closing tag. The hyperlink tag, also known as the anchor tag, is one of the most commonly used tags in HTML. It allows you to create clickable links that can navigate users to different web pages or specific sections within the same page. The hyperlink tag is represented by the element in HTML. It requires an attribute called ref, hypertext reference, to specify the URL or destination of the link. Here's an example. Visit example website. In this example, the text, visit example website, will be displayed as a clickable link. When the user clicks on it, they will be directed to the URL specified in the ref attribute, which in this case is. HTML is like the foundation of a building, providing structure and support to the entire web. Just like a skilled architect, you have the power to create something incredible with just a few lines of code. With HTML, you can transform a blank canvas into a captivating web page, a portal to share your ideas and creativity with the world. Every tag and element is like a brushstroke, allowing you to paint a beautiful picture of your vision. Embrace the power of HTML, for it holds the key to unlocking your digital dreams. Whether you're designing a stunning website, crafting an engaging user interface, or building an interactive web application, HTML is your faithful companion along the way. Remember, every line of code you write has the potential to impact millions of people across the globe. Your creations can inspire, educate, and connect individuals from different walks of life. HTML gives you the ability to shape the digital landscape and leave a lasting impression. So, let your imagination soar, experiment with different tags, and explore the endless possibilities of HTML. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, for they are stepping stones on your journey to mastery. HTML is more than just a language, it's a gateway to endless opportunities. Embrace it, learn it, and let your creativity shine through the virtual realm.